Assalamualaikum. Good morning. We are going to present our project, the AD, about food delivery system. My name is Fazna binti Majaldin.
My name is Eza Nazira binti Rizokafli, and I will explain about the customer part. Firstly, if a new user, they must sign up to the Oriental Coffee apps, and then add their email, their username, password, confirm password, number phone, and address. Once they're finished, they need to click the confirm button and registration is successful. The data will send through the post to register PHP. And then they go to the login page where they need to enter the username and then also the password. And then the data at the backend will be verified whether the username has at the database or not, and then they can log in. And then the message login successful.
Hey, my name is Nurul Izzati binti Abdul Razak, and I will be explaining the customer app further. This is the menu interface where users can browse available food items. Each item is presented with a picture, name, and price. Users can input any item numbers to add them to their cart. To place order, first we must click on place order button and input any item numbers. Then click OK. All selected items are saved in a memory using a local cart list for that session. After adding food to the cart, customers can click on View Cart to review their order. This window shows the cart or order summary of the placed order. The app sends a post request to the placeorder.php backend containing customer ID, list of items, and total amount when the order is confirmed. We will click on Confirm Order. Then click on OK. After the order confirmation, the app proceeds to the payment interface. In the payment screen, customers can see the total amount, payment status, and choose their preferred method, Touch and Go e-wallet, FPX, or Visa card. Once we selected a method, click on Confirm. After the payment is confirmed, a post request is sent to update payment status.php with the order ID to update the payment status. If the backend confirms payment success, the status is updated to paid, and as we can see, a receipt is generated. The receipt shows a summary of the order containing receipt number, date and time, items ordered, and total cost. From here, the customer can close the window or proceed to track order. To track order, click on track order button. A GET request is sent to getorders.php with the customer's ID to retrieve order data from the server. Here, the customer can see the delivery status of their order. And that is all for the customer app. Next is the rider app.
My name is Trisha. I'm going to explain about the rider app. Okay, so we have to register as rider by entering the name, email, password, confirm password, phone number, and also the address. Okay, so once the details are entered, we click on register and we are registered successfully. Next, we log in using the username and password we used to register just now. Click on login and it will verify with the data we entered in the database just now. Okay, once we log in, we will move into the assigned orders. I'll pass to Kayla.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Kayla. So after successful login, the user, or in this case the rider, will be presented with a display of assigned orders, and this display is made possible by sending a GET request to getorderrider.php. And the attributes of the tables include order ID, customer details, status, date, time, assigned rider, and also track. So when the track button is clicked, it will direct the user to Google Maps, and this way the rider can track their food delivery location. And the update status button it will allow the user to update delivery status, and the user is required to enter order ID and also choose the new status before clicking the update status button. So if the user decide to accept the delivery, it will send a post request to accept order.php. And if the food is delivered, the user can also update the status by sending a post request to markdelivered.php.
After hitting the refresh button, the customer can see their order status is updated. The delivery status is updated to a sign.
And now we try if the order is delivered. In case if there is an error, for example, invalid order ID, it will display an error message to notify the users. After a successful update, if after the food is delivered, the user can refresh the page with the refresh button. And if all orders are delivered, view tasks will not display any pending tasks. For Rider app, and that is all.
For the backend, we developed the PHP backend APIs in the food delivery backend folder. These include login PHP, register PHP, place order PHP, get order rider PHP, accept order PHP, and mark delivery PHP. All APIs communicate using HTTP request, post or get from the front-end apps. Data is sent and received in either plain post or JSON depending on the app. The placeorder.php stores order data with payment status and delivery address.
So for database design and security, we designed the database using PHPMyAdmin with 3 key tables, which is users, orders, menu, and also users, orders, and menu. The users table stores both customers and riders with roles, role column. Orders are linked to customers and optionally to riders using foreign keys. I also applied password hashing for the login security using proper constraint in table relationship and integrated Google Maps for commercial value. The database design ensures clean one-to-many relationship between users and orders.
To summarize, our system allows customer to register, browse the menu, place order, and track the deliveries. Riders can view, accept, and complete orders, with all operations supported by a secure backend and relational database. Our system demonstrates RESTful integration, front-end and back-end communication, and Google Maps API usage for added commercial value. That's all from our group. Thank you.